Good day. I am Ma'am Jonalyn Bipaet, and today we're going to talk about the inquiry-based learning and research-based learning. They are designed to engage students to real-world activities. So, after the discussion, I want you to apply your learning. But first, let me explain to you what is inquiry-based learning and research-based learning. What is inquiry-based learning? Inquiry-based learning is a method that gets a student involved by connecting lessons to real-world situations through exploration and asking deep questions. It encourages problem-solving and hands-on experiences, allowing learners to discover and engage with the world around them. Instead of just being told information, you get to ask questions, explore, and figure things out for yourself. It's about learning by doing, asking why, and finding answers through experiments, research, and real-world experiences. Here are the examples of inquiry-based learning. First, developing literary skills of the students, and number two, designing new teaching strategies and techniques. What is research-based learning? Research-based learning involves students in real research projects, which can greatly motivate them. By participating in authentic research, students often become more engaged and explore topics. Imagine being a scientist. Research-based learning is like that. You don't just read about science, you actually do science. You get asked big questions, investigate, analyze data, and even share your findings with others. It's like a real-life adventure that makes learning exciting and meaningful. Here are the examples of research-based learning. Number 1, investigating the impact of technology on the students. Number 2, analyzing different teaching strategies and techniques and its effectiveness. The inquiry-based learning and research-based learning are both student-centered that create learnable environment and develop students' critical thinking skills. Now, we are done in discussing the inquiry-based learning and research-based learning. I prepared the tasks that you need to do. You are going to incorporate both inquiry-based learning and research-based learning in activity to ensure fostering exploration, problem-solving, and your research skills. Here is your activity. Beowulf's story, Tale of Modern Heroes. The learning objective is students will use research and inquiry to create a modern play synopsis based on the epic poem Beowulf or the movie adaptation, incorporating literary devices and techniques. Students will relate the story flow of Beowulf's journey to heroic stories, applying it to the modern times and the story of those they call new heroes. Here are the procedure of your activity. Number 1, brainstorming. Student will list modern times situations that could parallel the themes and conflicts in Beowulf. Number 2, research. Student will choose one modern time situation from brainstorming list. Student do research about the concepts and literary devices and techniques of the Beowulf and how they could relate it in the modern times situation to create appealing play synopsis. Apply your learning. Using the research and inquiry, students create a modern play synopsis based on their chosen situation. They can adapt characters from Beowulf to fit the modern context. Develop a plot that reflects the themes and conflicts of the movie adaptation. Incorporate some literary devices that are used in the Beowulf to play synopsis they are going to read. Consider how to make the story is crucial and engaging for a modern audience. Students develop their synopsis into a full manuscript. Number 4, video presentation. Students share their learning they got through inquiry and research-based learning. Students present the commonalities of the synopsis they made to the story of Beowulf. Number 5, upload your video. Students' video presentation will be uploaded to YouTube. This activity combines inquiry-based and research-based learning to encourage students' creativity in exploring and searching Beowulf. They will use their learning to create a modern, engaging play synopsis. Again, I am Ma'am Jonaline. I hope you've learned something from me. Have a good day!